Good morning, guys. We're gonna attend graduation today. So my son have award, so we're going there. Yeah. Oh my god, I need to so their program is around 7 o'clock, but 7:30, 7:40, 6:30 to 6:45 you need to get there na. So, if you're late, they're not gonna wait for you. Yeah. And my son, he just wake up.
You won't watch.
Daddy. Huh?
You won't watch.
Okay, you already like it?
No. You won't watch.
Really?
Kaya mga kuwan pala diya, mga or. Isa na itusulod ditoan. Si Kulin.
So guys, we're just waiting here.
Diri, Axel. Diri mo si Pazulon mo ni Pas Kulin. Nanas Kulin?
Kylie mo isulod ni Saisria. Si Saisria. Nanibaho na kang giro.
Each of you has your own story of effort and progress, small victories that deserve to be acknowledged. Remember that success is not measured solely by awards, but by the courage to keep trying and the willingness to learn and grow. To our dear teachers, thank you for your unwavering dedication and passion. You have gone beyond the duties. Grade 1 Paitan, with honors, Bangka Macy Simon. Katina Zapisha T. Galansha Natalie Wenzel Gray S. Edwina Hannah Grace.
think. Baka nandun. So guys, so this is the end of the video guys. And by the way, I did not eat earlier, so I cooked some dry fish and this is gonna be my lunch, my breakfast and lunch. Okay guys, so thank you guys for watching guys. Thank you so much, and don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share for more of my videos guys. So bye, thank you, see you next time.